sure what's going on, but I keep losing footage. So we'll see if this even records. But I already pretty much painted everything. I just gotta paint the seams. Here goes another update. It's gonna be pretty dark because there's no electricity on this side of the house. There is on the other side, but where I'm at, but not on this side, because my electrician has came and rewired everything. The pantry's here, insulated. I need to get some more insulation to finish filling all this in. The ceiling in the kitchen had to come down because the sheetrock was like real flaky, like it was coming apart real easy. There used to be a fire here, or there was an old fire that happened here. I don't know if I mentioned this in older videos, but I'm guessing that's why all of this sheetrock was like crispy. So that came down. But yeah, all the outlets are, all the wiring in this house has been updated, which is gonna lead me to where I wasted some time again, like I did with the plumbing, but that's fine. But everything's been updated, a lot of holes to patch, but it was better to just go ahead and get it done while I was redoing the while I had all the walls open basically and was redoing all this stuff anyway. And so now there's an outlet there for a TV if I want to hang a TV on this wall. There's a switch here for the closet. Let's see, there's one box up there for the living room. There's a box on this side for this room. Even right here, just in case the TV needs to go there. And this is where I wasted my time because he went ahead and got rid of that mess of a box that was up there. I don't even know if you can see because it's so dark in here. Let's see, I don't have a flashlight. I'll use my phone. Yeah, so he got rid of that box, so I wasted my time cutting that sheetrock out, but I'm still happy with it. So yeah, everything's new now up there. What else we got? My wire's been ran over here as well. So everything's looking good. I think that's it as far as updates. The bar over here was lowered. It was a little taller last time. I lowered it because I like to have the sink and the little bar the same height. I used to have a house like that and I thought it looked real nice, so I want to do the same thing at this one. What else? I haven't been really recording updates because it's been pretty much, you know, just the same thing. All my canned lights, Reese's cans are ready. Reese's lights. I don't think I've added anything. I added an outlet to the little porch in the front yard. I'm adding one in the backyard. But that's about it, really. So yeah, pretty soon we'll get the flooring in, cabinets in. Well, first it'll be the sheetrock, then the texture, then the paint, then the flooring, then the cabinets, then the tile in the restrooms, the tile for the backsplash in the kitchen, the tub, and then all the doors get put in, and then I'll finally move into this side of my house. I've also been renovating a rental property that I have, and that's been taking up my time as well. Putting new flooring and stuff, but I'm not recording any of that because there's people living there and it's a bit of a mess in and out of the house to do things. So, but yeah, I am ready to be done with this, to be honest. Not sure how well you can see, but there's a little bit of update. The ceiling sheetrock is up. These pipes have been moved over a little bit. We're gonna have to do something to make this wall sturdy. We gotta add a 2x4 on this end, remove the sheetrock just because the cabinets are gonna line up right there. What else? Yeah, these pipes have been moved over. This is basically where my cabinet's gonna end here. Then there's gonna be another 36-inch cabinet with drawers here, and it's gonna end like right where this sheetrock is, a little bit more. So that's why we got to add a 2x4 on that end. But the pantry over here has been sheetrocked. It's looking good. This will get cement in here tomorrow to level it with this. It's about 2 inches higher. And over there, I think it's going to be about 3 inches. The only other update from what I've already posted, this sheetrock wasn't in. It's there now, and we moved the line for the tub. It used to be in the center for the shower. Now it's over off to the side to accommodate for this tub right here. Let's go under and in. This would be the little tub that's going in there. As far as that, I think that's it for updates from the last one I did. I don't think I can't even remember when the last update I did, but I believe it was when I was talking about the sheetrock needing to come down. I don't think it was down yet. It might have been, I don't know. But yeah, still a lot to do. All right, one more update. Where are we? I added a 2x4 right here. I don't know if I've mentioned that before, but this is going to make it to where the cabinets end like in the middle of this 2x4. Before they would have been sticking out, so that I don't think that would have looked good. Sorry, I lost my voice the other day. Got all the sheetrock in, got it all tape embedded. Well, not everything, but for the most part, the corner there still needs to get done. As far as updates, that's pretty much it. Just a little cleaner. I think this wall didn't even have sheetrock on the last update. Can't really remember. There's gonna be some changes again, and that big change is gonna be, this is no longer gonna be 2 closets. This is gonna be 1 big closet with some shelves, I believe, on the sides. I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I think that's what I'm going with. In this room over here, I'm gonna make like the walk-in closet that I made is gonna become for this room, because the major change that's coming, which is another crazy major change, but I'm going for it. I decided it was worth it and I'm gonna go for it. But yeah, so I might push this wall back again. I'm not sure yet. Or I might just even it out from here to here. For this, I don't know if I'll make this closet bigger, just do that. I don't know. I just don't know if it's gonna be worth leaving this little weird bump out. But I might leave it. I don't know. I'll decide that later. But we got the tub in, the shower stuff. I mean the sheetrock for the showers in. But the thing that is changing is I'm extending this to my patio over there, where that beam is right there. I mean that post, all the way to that post. This wall, this room is going to get bigger that way, and next to this restroom right there will be a walk-in closet, or a bigger walk-in closet. So I know I keep changing stuff, and I know I think I probably go all out a little too much, more than I need to, but I know that I will regret not doing that, because that's been on my mind since I started this. But I just didn't think it was worth it. But after talking to the guys that I've been working with here, they say that I should just go for it. That right now, since everything's open, everything's being done, that if I don't do it, I'm gonna regret it, which I agree 100%. This room is gonna almost, not double in size. Yeah, it's gonna almost double in size. So it's gonna be a huge master bedroom. And I'm probably gonna replace this window with the new one. And it's gonna have another window about the same spot over there. I don't think I'm gonna put a window on that side. That way, you know, I can do whatever on the other side. I don't have a window right there staring at whatever's going on. But yeah, I think I already mentioned this window's getting taken out, which would be pointless to have it anyway because of the whole restroom situation. So yeah, it hasn't got started yet. I can still change my mind on that, but the crew's ready to do it. They're down. They actually seemed excited. You know how it is when you're in construction. You see an idea like that, and it's like, heck yeah, we can do that. That'd be nice. That's what they said. That's what I said. So that might be what happens. So I look forward to that, and I'm excited for that, and I really want that. So I still feel nervous about it though, because that's a lot. That's a lot more added on to the plate. But I think it's worth it. I think it's 100% worth it. So I'm just gonna say yes. I'm going for it. I'm going for it.